part of your living area, and you can check out. This is a kitchen layout, so you can have a look at the kitchen. This is the most spacious room of the house. You can have a look. There's ample of. Hello everyone, myself Jetal from Housey, and today we are here at Signature Heights, developed by Signature Dwellings, which is located in Neraluru, South Bangalore. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So basically, this will be the main entrance of the project, and you can have a look at the main entrance. So this is the land parcel, and you can even have a look at the construction site as well. And about the marketing office is just on the right hand side over here. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start this video via project overview. So this project is spread across total of 5 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers in all, where 2 towers are of ground plus 14 floors and 1 tower of basement ground plus 9 floor, having exclusive 2 BHK 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and the project is providing you with 40 plus luxurious amenities like of mini theatre, jogging track, co-working space, kids play zone, 14,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, yoga lawn, garden area, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located in Neraluru in Chandapura of Electronic City in South Bangalore. Now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Neraluru road, and this road over the side will connect you towards Tirumagondanahalli, that is National Highway Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So basically you can connect to Embitus World School in just 1 kilometer from the project. You can connect to Tirumagondanahalli National Highway in just 900 meters. Electronic City's toll is within 4 kilometers from the location of the project. So now this is your 3 BHK model flat at this project of 1675 square feet super built-up area, and here's the main entrance of the house. But before we enter in, let me show you that they are providing with a digital door lock for your security and even for your privacy. Here's the forward area, and once you enter, here's your L-shaped living plus dining area. So basically this is the part of your living area, and you can check out they are providing with the vitrified flooring. So the living area has its own connecting balcony. And this is the connecting balcony. You can have a look with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3 side covered, so you can enjoy a beautiful scenic view from this project. Now moving further towards your dining and the kitchen area. Here you can add up your TV unit space basically, and so here you can have a look that they are providing with an open kitchen concept, so you can add up your dining table right here in front of your kitchen area. And this is a kitchen layout, so you can have a look at the kitchen. They have added up the L-shaped platform with the cabinets. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area, and this is the utility area with anti-skid flooring and the provision for machine as well. So here the master bedroom is on my left hand side, and other 2 bedrooms on the right hand side with a butterfly concept layout. So let's move further towards your bedroom number 1, and that is your kids bedroom. So once you move inside the kids bedroom, you can have a look at this cozy room with a bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. So the room is much more spacious. You can even add up a study table. Here's a wardrobe space. Once you step out from this room, right here is a common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And this side is your bedroom number 2. So once you enter this bedroom, you can have a look at the beautiful bedroom with a huge bed space. Additionally, here's the balcony area. So a spacious balcony. Once you step inside the balcony, you can have a look with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will give you two-side open view. Now, about the other part of the house. So even they have provided the TV unit space right here. The wardrobe space is over here. For cross ventilation, here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me inform you with all the key features that Housey brings just for you. Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flat videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now, we have to take a walk from your living and crossing the dining area. Right on the opposite side is your master bedroom. So once you enter, here this is the most spacious room of the house. You can have a look. There is ample of space in this room with a huge bed space right here. Even here they have provided the balcony. So you can have a look at the balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing. And this balcony is three-side covered as well. Once you step inside, right here is the wardrobe space. Even you can add up a couch or a work table right here, or a dressing table as well. So basically, even they have added up a dressing table right here and a wardrobe. So here's an ample of space. You can have a look. Now this side is your attached master washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Signature Dwellings project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And even if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.